morning, this is Boulanger with Document Solutions, and today we're going to be doing a short video on how to update the firmware for your GoSafe.
First, you're going to plug in the USB into your computer and check if it's formatted correctly for the firmware. That is FAT32. It has to be formatted as FAT32. FAT32.
Okay, once you plug your USB into the computer, you're going to go over here to your File Explorer. Open that up. You're going to click on your USB. You're going to delete anything that's in here. Then from there, you're going to check if it's formatted correctly. FAT32, FAT32 is how it needs to be formatted. You're going to right click on the USB. You're going to hit Format. It's usually defaulted at just FAT, but we need it at FAT32, FAT32. Hit Start. From there, you're going to go to the link that we sent you. You're going to click the link. It's going to take you to the internet. It looks something like this. You hit download. From there, it's going to go to here. You hit download anyway. Then it's going to download down here in the left-hand corner. Once it's downloaded completely, you're going to go to your File Explorer again. We're going to go to Downloads. And it's going to come up like this with the white thing next to it. You right-click. And you're going to do Extract Files. From there, it'll come down into a little folder like this with a zipper on it. And from there, you just extract all. And then once that's done, you're going to drag and drop inside your USB and let it download. And from there, you go back to your GoSafe and plug it into your GoSafe and follow the next instructions.
Now, once that you've downloaded all the files necessary for your firmware update on your USB drive, you plug it into the side. You're going to take the mouse. You're going to right-click twice. And your password is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You're going to click the little arrow above Settings. Click and hold on the current GoSafe app on your machine now. I'm going to do uninstall. So it uninstalls off there. Then you go back in, hit the arrow again above the settings. Go to your Explorer. Click on your USB. And it's going to be the DC Maps gate. You just click that. And it updates for you. It'll take about a minute and a half. It's the same process for the Q, the R, and the Q Pro. However, it's a different file for each one of them. It should, after updating, kick you back to the main screen of the GoSafe app itself so you can start using it. However, if it does not, you're going to get the screen like this. All you're going to do is right-click to back out, and it should be in your main app screen. Have downloaded right where you took it from the last time. Just double-click it, and it's your newest up-to-date firmware for the GoSafe.